The Fab Four is a great starter pack for anyone wanting to get started with 3D foundation. In a compact the size of your cell phone, you're going to fit 4 colors. These are all custom colors that I'm going to match for you. You're going to take one brush. This is your powder brush, and I love to use it to apply our foundation. I'm going to use the more circular flat end to start with my brightening shade, and that's going to go in my T-zone and in a triangular shape underneath my eyes. Next, I'm using the main highlight shade, which is a little darker, and I'm putting that on the middle of my forehead and my lower face. Next, I'm going to apply my contour, and I'm putting that just under the cheekbones. I like to use the more flat, angular side of this brush, especially for the nose area. It makes it really, really easy to create a narrow, straight nose, and of course to really lift those cheekbones. And we're really just coloring by numbers as we apply this unique makeup. So flip your brush back around and use the wider end, the more circular end, to just sort of buff and blend all of your makeup in. So this makeup isn't layered upon layer on top of itself. You actually just put the right colors in the right places all in a single layer to give you the coverage, brightness, definition, warmth, and to make your features pop all in the same layer. Finish this look with a little bit of blush on your cheeks, and you can use your fingertip or your brush to kind of apply and just pat it in. I like to even use it on my eyelids sometimes. And then you can use your fingertip to apply that same exact lip and cheek color onto your lips. One brush, one compact.